Hey guys, sorry about my TV. Well, today we'll be reacting to train safety with Melvin. I'll just mute my background. Here we go.
The Coalition for the New World Order presents Train Safety with Melvin.
I
In
love
the year
trains.
2020, the release of a biochemical virus resulted in...
Well, first of all, this was made in 2015. And I didn't know that there was going to be that this would happen right this year, or that the coronavirus would sweep the earth this year, back in 2015. Well, the coronavirus pandemic happened.
worldwide epidemic that mutated the human form. The human physique changed,
It hadn't happened yet.
and everyday tasks became challenging. This is Melvin. Melvin has a hard time taking the train with his new build. Today, Melvin will demonstrate the essentials of train safety. Lesson 1. When entering the train, all body parts need to be in their rightful place.
He lost his head.
In case of an event much like what happened to dear Melvin here, report to Lost and Found, where things rest in pieces. Lesson 2. Please mind the gap when entering and exiting all train carriages.
Yeah, mind the gap.
Lesson 3. Remember to properly stow your ticket on your
Or keep
person,
it in your
and do not,
hand.
under any circumstances, climb onto the tracks.
I love skeletons
Lesson
and
4.
trades.
Be courteous to other passengers on the train.
Don't eat on
Don't be
the
too
train.
disruptive by playing loud music or eating messy snacks. Lesson 5. When waiting for your train to arrive, please be sure to stay behind the line. Look out, Melvin. And remember, folks, when it comes to train
See,
safety,
Melvin,
try not to
this
lose
is
your
why
head.
you should know better. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. Bye.